I made a different video where I talked about my credit card and how on my credit card I have the corporate account, which is 9640, and the card holder, or the card in my pocket, which is 9723, and how I really only connect 9723 to QuickBooks. I wanted to show you what that looks like in QuickBooks so you can really visualize it. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to connect the account. To connect the account, I'm just going to click on link account. And then I don't see bank. Oh, I do. I was going to say I don't see it, so I can type it. If you ever don't see your bank, just type to search. I'm going to say Bank of America. Continue. Submit. Thankfully, LastPass remembers me because I connect and disconnect this on a regular basis. So I'm going to do the thing that I don't do in real life. I'm going to connect them both so you can see why I don't. So I'm going to say add new. This one's a credit card. Corporate. I don't really connect this, and you'll see why. And then I'll click on add new credit card. Oops, credit card. Card holder. Card in my pocket. Only connect this and show you. I will show you why. Okay, so I've got both of them set up with an account on the chart of accounts. The corporate, I don't really connect. The card holder is the only one I connect. I'm going to pull transactions in starting the beginning of this year. Please do not judge me for my shopping. More like my software habit. So this is the corporate card, and I said in the earlier video, and I'm going to say it here, I don't connect it because the only thing that comes through are my payment and my interest charges. These payments, they come out of my business checking account. So when I'm over here organizing my business checking, I'm going to see, oh yeah, there's a payment to my credit card, and I'm going to apply it to the credit card. If I connect the corporate card, the payments will match to this register, which is fine, except for this register only has the payments. That cardholder register, this is where all my charges are. This is everything I would have to enter into QuickBooks if I only connected the corporate card. If I have them both connected, now I've got charges in one spot and my payments in another spot, and they're not together. When I connected these, QuickBooks made that dumb opening balance entry. Let me just show you what this looks like on the balance sheet. It doesn't matter what the numbers are. I really want you to see the logic behind why I don't connect two credit cards. So let's go all dates and report. Okay. So here's the cardholder card. It's negative, probably because I made the payment recently. And then the corporate card, basically when you look at this, you see two different lines, and now you have to do math to figure out what's going on. Or maybe you can make the card holder a sub of the corporate and then let the math show up in QuickBooks, let it total it for you. Do you see how I'm suddenly stopping and feeling the need to explain to you how you can see how much money you owe on your credit card? That isn't even getting into the situation of how you're going to reconcile it if you make things harder than it needs to be. My very, very strong recommendation is if you have one credit card, to only connect the card that's in your pocket to QuickBooks and do not connect your corporate card. Have all your payments show up on the card connected in QuickBooks. Have all your charges show up in that one register. Have the one register that you reconcile. It's okay that all my charges are here, and we'll just make believe with this other account. Pretend like instead of giving Otter $30, pretend like it went to my corporate card. Or sorry, it went to my credit card. So I can just say, okay, this went to the, card in my pocket, and then add, right? It's no big deal. It doesn't have to match on the other side. And by match, I mean, you're not looking for the word match to magically appear on your screen. I'm able to reconcile because the card in my pocket would have all of my charges and all of my payments. This only applies if you have just one credit card. But if you have just one credit card, I don't care that like you see it showing up as two things here, or when you look at the statement, you've got, this number here and that number there, and it just feels overwhelming. And when you go to connect, you can pick multiple options. Just ask yourself, what does future you want? If future you is anything like future Rachel, the answer is future you wants simplicity. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you want to chat privately, hop on my calendar and we'll do a training session. gentlefrog.com/meeting. Okay, thank you. Bye.